Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're building the professional blueprint for truly modern home lighting.
Yep, we're ditching the guesswork to get perfect lighting for any room in your house.
So why is this so hard? I mean, we've all been there, right? Too dim, too bright, just wrong. The secret? Pros use a simple formula for a perfect modern look every single time.
All right, let's jump right into this professional blueprint for getting ideal lighting.
It's just 3 easy steps. This will get us the exact amount of light your space really needs.
So first up is Lux. Don't worry, it's just a simple way to measure brightness.
For our modern living room example, let's aim right in the middle, a comfy 150 lux.
Okay, next up, area. Let's imagine our room is 12 by 10 feet, so about 11 square meters.
Okay, here's the key formula. Just multiply your target lux by the room's area. Easy.
So 150 lux times 11 square meters, that gets us 1,650 lumens. That's our magic number.
Quick clarification. Lumens are all about brightness. Watts, that's just the energy the bulb uses.
Converting to watts is simple. As a rule of thumb, 1 watt gives you 80 to 100 lumens. That means our room needs a total of 16 to 20 watts to hit our brightness goal.
But this next part is absolutely crucial. You can't just use one single harsh light source.
Instead, the pros spread that wattage across 4 to 6 different lights. It makes all the difference.
See, that's the difference. We're creating ambiance, not just flipping on a light.
So there you have it, the blueprint to pro-level lighting. Calculate, convert, and distribute.
So you've got the tools. The only question left is, which room are you going to transform first?